Sinigang na Baboy. Ingredients: 1½ kilo pork belly with bone, 1 bunch Kang-kong or spinach, 1 bunch string beans, 2 liters water, 1 pack Sinigang mix. This good for 2 liters water. 1 tablespoon cooking oil. 3 tablespoons fish sauce. 2 pieces tomato. 3 pieces banana pepper. 1 pieces onion sliced. 1 pieces radish sliced. 2 pieces Taro. 2 pieces eggplant cut into 4. 4 pieces okra. Cooking procedure: heat the pot and put in the cooking oil. Sauté the onion until layers separate. Then, add the pork belly and cook until turns light brown. Put in the fish sauce and mix with the ingredients. Pour the water and bring to a boil. Add the taro and tomatoes, then simmer for 1 hour. Put in the sinigang mix and chili. Then, add the other vegetables: string beans, radish, eggplant, okra. Put in the spinach or kang-kong. Turn off the heat, and cover the pot. Let go cook using the remaining heat in the pot. Tbsp. Ingredients: 1 kilo fish, cleaned, any kind of fish.